Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept in Python programming, and that is nested loops. Nested loops are incredibly powerful and versatile tools in programming, allowing us to iterate over multiple dimensions of data structures. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, stick around because we've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. Alright, let's start with the basics. A nested loop is simply a loop inside another loop. This means that we have one loop, called the outer loop, which contains another loop, called the inner loop. Each time the outer loop runs, the inner loop runs completely. Here's a simple example of a nested loop. For I in range 3. For j in range 2. Print outer loop iterations I and inner loop iterations j. In this example, we have an outer loop iterating over the range of 3, and within each iteration of the outer loop, we have an inner loop iterating over the range of 2. Let's see what happens when we run this code. As you can see, the inner loop completes its iterations for each iteration of the outer loop. This allows us to perform operations on each combination of values from both loops, which can be incredibly useful in various programming scenarios. Now, let's look at a practical example of using nested loops. Suppose we want to create a multiplication table from 1 to 10. For I in range 1 to 11. For j in range 1 to 11. Print inside the curly bracket I asterisk sign and in another bracket j, which is equals to product of I and j. In this code, we have an outer loop iterating over the numbers 1 to 10, representing the multiplicand, and an inner loop iterating over the same range, representing the multiplier. By multiplying these values, we generate the multiplication table. As you can see here, it prints all the multiplication table between 1 and 10. Before we conclude, let's explore another practical example of using nested loops to create a rectangle pattern. Imagine we want to generate a rectangle pattern using asterisk symbol with a specified width and height. Width equals, let's say 10. Height equals, let's say 5. For I in range height. For j in range width. Print asterisk and equals an empty string. Outside the inner loop, print. It will move to the next line after printing a row of asterisks. In this code, we first define the width and height of our rectangle pattern. Then, we use two nested loops. The outer loop iterates over the specified height, representing each row of the rectangle. And the inner loop iterates over the specified width, printing asterisk symbol to create each row. Let's run this. As you can see, we've successfully generated a rectangle pattern with the specified width and height using nested loops. This pattern can be customized by adjusting the values of width and height to create rectangles of different sizes. And there you have it. Nested loops are incredibly versatile and can be applied to various programming tasks, from creating patterns to processing multi-dimensional data structures. I encourage you to experiment with nested loops in your own projects to further solidify your understanding. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!